How to upload documents for a rental bond refund on mobile. Hi everyone, today I'll guide you through the process of uploading documents for a rental bond refund using your mobile device. Let's get started. First, open your state's official rental bond portal using your mobile browser or dedicated app. Make sure you log in using your account details. Once you're logged in, choose the bond refund option to start your application. Next, navigate to the section where you're required to provide supporting documents for your bond refund application. Tap Upload or Add File, then select the necessary documents directly from your phone's storage. Check that each file uploads successfully. Finally, review all uploaded documents for accuracy and completeness. Once confirmed, submit your bond refund application. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your documents for a rental bond refund using just your mobile device.